Good morning, Lalita ma'am. So my first question to you is, how is the role of HR evolving today, and how are we preparing our MBA students for the same?
Students, we are preparing them to understand that HR is not just a support system. It is beyond that. They need to understand business. They need to understand that all the interventions of HR has to be aligned with the business strategy, and they need to work like or think like operational thinkers, and they need to know all the arenas, whether be it marketing, finance, operations. They need to understand everything.
So, Gunjan ma'am, what are the top skills required for being as an HR professional, and how are we imparting that within our students?
The first thing which you need to remember as an HR student is the top skill which you need to have is people management, which has been going on from years and years. This time it has become more important. They are the ones who have to accept the technology, and you also need to understand that change is not easy. So having that high content on emotional intelligence is again one more skill which you need to have as an HR professional. So yes, the change management thing, technological advancements, keeping abreast with them, and yes, emotional intelligence. These are the three basic skills which people need to have as HR professionals. How are we developing them is we see to it that we do not only inculcate theory lectures to students, but we call in industry professionals for the same. We see to it that students have integrated projects. They have various modules, the practical learning exposure to the HR analytics and all. Team management, team building plays a very important role at SIA School of Business.
So, ma'am, talking about our learning pedagogy and how that is going to create a difference while we teach our students from an HR perspective.
So now at SIS, SBS, we are looking at being focused more on data-driven things, right? So technology is there, and how analytics work, and how students need to present on dashboards. So we are focusing on all our pedagogy going into understanding how AI can be applied and how data-driven based way of working is. So when we talk about business and we understand that it's all about building relationships, that's what is business. But at the same time, they also need to understand that understanding how these numbers play and how the outcomes of business can be, you can say, predicted. So we talk about predictive analytics and how they can predict and show that how businesses can work well. We also say that HR is experiential, and therefore taking them for experiential learning on the field, industry visits to understand what is labor laws, understanding the laws. We are actually having a pedagogy which is very rich to help the students understand how there is a change happening in the field.
And the final question, what advice would you like to give to our students who are planning to make up their career being as an HR professional?
Okay, students who are looking forward to HR as a profession, one sole advice would be don't take shortcuts, keep learning, stay curious, stay abreast with what is happening in the technical world. So keep on with what is going on. That's it. Thank you.